At ang summary of closing sales na walang pressure, na walang kahirap-hirap, apply the 80-20 rules. 80% purely listening and 20% talking. And that 20% is spread over into 4 categories. 5% of your talking is all about breaking invisible wall, building rapport, applying transition question. The next 5% is educating your client. How to educate your very knowledgeable client? Or educate them with your product. Educate them on how this product, these services can help your client, on how this product transform your client situation. The next 5% is diagnose. Diagnose the pain. Diagnose the problem of your client. If you diagnose your client concern and problem, then you become a good friend of your prospective client. The last one, orient your client on how to avail, how to purchase of this product or service offering. Orient. May binanggit ba ako na kumuha sila? Wala. Ang gagawin mo, makinig 80% of the time. 5% of the 20%, break the invisible wall. Educate your client. Diagnose the problem and orient them on how to avail these products or services. That is the best way on how you can close a sales very easily, smoothly. If you like this video content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like it.